Well, hello there, I'm Maria and I'm building Launch Anyway. It is a community for Berlin-based solopreneurs who are building their own thing but don't want to do it completely on their own. I actually only recently transitioned to working for myself, and on this journey I have learned so much from fellow solopreneurs, freelancers, creatives. I've been very much in touch with them whenever I was facing any challenges like, positioning myself or pricing my services or writing my first invoice or contract. And it's a lot that you need to juggle when you are on this solo journey. But I guess what I want this community to be is a safe place for us to get together, learn from each other, co-work, motivate each other, because it can be a very lonely journey if you're not part of a community. So that is what I am kind of building with this Launch Anyway platform. So yeah, this is just my little introduction. I can't wait to host some casual meetups, coffee chats, co-working sessions, workshops, and just bring all of us together in Berlin to meet and learn and connect. I'm very, very excited, and you're very, very welcome to join. See you at one of the next events, hopefully. Bye bye.